Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a little while since I've done a video, so I thought I'd do a few videos just showing off Lilo when we went to get her. So enjoy!
Wake up, hit the snooze, getting 9 times, and living again.
Hey, precious. Lilo. Lilo, come here, baby. Oi. Come here. Come here.
And on Thursday or Friday and Saturday, but chill on Sunday. I met this girl on Monday, took her for a drink on.
I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Be sure to like and subscribe if you did. I'll be trying to share more videos as often as I can. I do have my breast augmentation on Friday, so I'm hoping I can do a few vlogs and a bit of show of recovery results and everything like that as well. So let me know in the comments if you'd like to see that as well.